This is Ashwini. Welcome to CK Cert Hands-on channel. The purpose of my channel is to get people who want to attempt CK exam get started on their hands-on practicing journey once they finish the formal course of CKA and have a basic understanding of Kubernetes concepts. This creates a depth in your understanding of each concept and helps you crack CKA exam. With that introduction, let's get started with today's video. This is the sixth video in networking series. I have a playlist for each concept of Kubernetes prompted in the video, and also the link is provided in the description. So let's get started. Let's set the context. So this demo environment is quite similar to CK exam environment simulation environment, where you will have a browser to do the attempt the questions, and then there's a link to you'll have a terminal and also a browser to access Kubernetes documentation. The question today is create a deployment named My Web App Deployment using the Docker image WordPress with 2 replicas. Then expose that deployment as a service named My Web App Service, making it accessible on port 30770 on the nodes of the cluster. Now, this is important here. They did not mention what type of service that needs to be created. Sometimes it is asked in the wording of the question, and it is on us to understand that and create the required type of the service, because it is saying it is on node port and 30770, which is actually in the range for the node port range. It is a service of type node port, not cluster IP. So that is one of the things that is not directly asked in the question, and you need to infer it and attempt the question. So let's go and search the documentation for deployments. I'm taking the manifest here. The name is My Web App Deployment, and for labels, because it is using a WordPress image, you can just call it whatever you want. I'm just calling it WP, which is WordPress, and number of replicas is 2, and I'm gonna just replace all the labels with app is WP, and they did not say anything about the name of the container. I'm gonna call it WordPress, and the image is WordPress. Now for all of the things that is specifically asked in the question, like the image, the name of the metadata, name of the deployment, name of the service, all these things, try to copy it and paste it. Do not type it, because invalidation, that is very important. Even if your deployment and manifest is created, but if you have a typo in the name, then it's probably you're going to lose some marks on it. So always copy paste where possible, and sometimes I type it, but do not do that. That should be it for the deployment. Let's create the deployment. Now we need to expose this deployment using a node port service. So let's create the service. Go to services and search for the node port. This is a node port service manifest. copy it. Name is my web app service. So the app is the name of the deployment, and port is 8080, target port is 8080. Now the last thing that we need to change is the node port. Service is created. I am quickly going to describe the service just to show you how it is exposing that deployment. So it is, the selector is this, which is my web app deployment type is node port, and where is the port? 30770. That should be it, and let's validate this solution. Validation is successful. So that is how you create a node port service that exposes a particular deployment. I will create the links for, I will provide the links for Killer Coda and the service documentation in the description. There will also be a link for the networking playlist. If you like the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications for the upcoming videos. I am going to make more videos on each category that comprises of CKA exam, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.